morning to one and all. I am your Rajesh sir, here to enhance your knowledge. In previous class, I have discussed regular verbs. In that, I discussed how to change the base verb into past tense and past participle. And I also taught you how to pronounce verbs which added ed or the past tense. In this class, I am going to teach you very important topic. If you don't know this topic, you will definitely humiliated by someone else. So must concentrate on this video. Here see what I am writing on the board. I hope you are familiar with this word get, set, go. Here if you have some interest with sports, you definitely know these words. Here when you are going for running, here they are saying get, then take the position, set, then go, start. Get, set, go. Here these are all verbs. And these are all the verbs in present tense. All the verbs in present tense. And when the verbs in present tense, we are writing V1. And as I told you in the previous classes, verbs have three forms: V1, V2, V3 form. V1, V2, V3 form. Here we learned in the previous class walk, and the past tense we can make with adding ed, walked. And the past participle also we form by adding ed. Played, played, played. Here this is the present tense and this is past tense, and here this is in past participle. Past participle. Here it's not indicating the time. Here there is both tense, time, verbs indicating time. Here these verbs we are adding ed and we are forming past tense and past participle. Here see, try to form the verb past tense and past participle for this verb. Get, got, got. What is the past tense for get? Got. What is the past participle for get? Got. Here two forms are same. Two forms are same. Here set, set, set. All the three forms are same. All the three forms are same. Here go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. All the three forms are different, are not same. Here in this verb we change the internal vowel to change into past tense and past participle. And here we didn't change anything for making it into past and past participle. And here go, went, gone. Here we completely changed the past tense and in the past participle added an e. Here they have different forms. But in the previous class we learned verbs end with ed. We call them as regular verbs. Regular verbs. And those verbs which do not end with ed, we call them irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. According to the exam point of view, these irregular verbs are very important. These irregular verbs are very important. And these irregular verbs asked in many competitive examinations also. As a student also, it is very important while you are writing the passages or descriptions, you have to write the past sentences. We write the past sentences using these past verbs. Here, what are the verbs which are in the examination? Here, forget. What is the past participle for this verb? Here, as we know, get, got. Here, forget, forgot. But when we are writing the past participle, we are writing forgotten. This one is in the group 2 examinations. And here, one more important one, write. What is the past participle for this? Write. Write, wrote, written. This spelling is wrong. This spelling is also asked in the previous examination. Here, what is the correct spelling? Written. W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Written. Double T. Written. And here also asked these questions. These verbs teach. What is the past form? Taught. Taught. Here, think. This is so funny word. Here we have one joke on this. Two boys completed their examinations and came out and discussing what the questions asked in the examination. Here one boy asked the other boy, what you written for the verb think? What you written past tense for the verb think? Here the boy said that in the examination hall, I thought, and I written thinker. Actually, he thought, he said the word correctly, but while writing, he written think. What is the actual past form for think? Think, thought. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Taught. Think, thought, taught. Here, other words also asked in the examinations like sing, sang, sung, ring, rang, rung. These are all irregular verbs. Here, our today's topic is irregular verbs. We learn what are the verbs, are the list of verbs which have three forms same, and we also learn the list of verbs which has all the forms different and which has all the forms are two forms different. Irregular verbs. As I told you, irregular verbs are verbs which didn't follow the general rule for changing past form. We are adding ed. But here, these irregular verbs didn't follow that rule. Here, instead of following ed or d for making past tense, they have its own past tense. Sometimes have the three forms. Here, three types or three forms are same. Here, three forms are same. Here we have three different types, and that the first one is all the three forms same. Here in movies we see, they generally say I heard. I heard. There is a no word like hurted. I heard. Past tense also heard and the past participle also heard. And here two of the three forms same. Here see built. Here two forms same, and here all the three forms are different. Here see speak, spoke, spoken. All the three forms are different. Here they are not following the general rule. Here general rule is that for making the past tense or past participle, we are using ed or d. But here irregular words didn't follow that rule. Here we have three types of irregular words. Here three forms same or two of three forms same, and all the three forms are different. And these are the examples for that. Here see, all the three forms are different. Here we have few irregular verbs which have all the forms same. You must have to by heart them. And here cast, forecast, telecast is also three forms are same. Here bet. Past tense, past participle, and here present, past participle. Here for these words we have all the forms are same. Bet, bust, cast, cut, hit, hut, let, put, read. Here pronunciation is different, but the spelling is same. Here read in the present. Here read in the past. Read in the past participle. When it comes with the past verbs, past time frames, then only we can able to identify this past tense, and you have to read it as read. When these comes with have, has, or had, you have to read it as I have read, she has read, we had read, not read. Where the pronunciation is same in pronunciation is different in past tense and past participle, but the spelling is same for read. So we are written in this list. Set. Shut. Split. Spread. Here, these days, coronavirus is spreading all over the world. It spreads. In this way, we are using all the forms same. Remember them and master these words. Few examples of verbs which has two forms same, and few examples which verbs has different forms. Here see the examples. Two of the three forms are same. Example: catch, cart and cart. Two forms are same. Here become. I want to become a doctor. He became doctor. He has become a doctor. Bend. Buy, bought. Come, came, come. Dig, dug. Fight, fought. Get, got. Have, had. Here, these have we learned in helping verbs. Here, if it is comes along with the other verbs, it treated as helping verb if This verb alone come in the sentence, we treat it as main verb. Main verb. And this is a part of irregular verbs. Have, had. Leave, left, light, lit. Lighted is also possible. Run, ran. Win, won. Here all the forms are different. Be, was, were, been. And while learning helping verbs, we learn that these all the forms come in helping verbs. When they are come alone without any main verbs, they are treated as main verb. Break, broke, broken. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fly, flew, flown. Give, gave, given. Hide, hid. Hide means you have to go somewhere and you have to hide. Here you are trying to not to see others. Hide, hid, hidden. Know, knew, known. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Throw, threw, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Here, do, did, done. This do, did, done is also helping verb. When they come individually, we treat it as main verbs. Remember the all irregular verbs and collect the list of verbs and memorize all the verbs and use it in your sentences. Just you learned what are irregular verbs and how we form past tense and past participle for these verbs. And we also learned here we have three types of verb forms in irregulars. There are three forms are same, any two forms are same, all the three forms are different. Here on the basis of that, here the worksheet for you, change the following verbs into past tense and past participle form. Here we have three forms as I told you, base form or present, base form or present form. And the second one is past form, we indicate it with V2, past participle we indicate with V3. One example for you, had, hung. Here write the past tense, past participle, V2, V3 form for the verbs given. Read the verbs carefully and write down the past tense and past participle. Here the verbs beat, deal, lay, keep, meet, cut, drop, shake, rise, weigh. Read these words carefully and change it into past tense and past participle form. Keep watching. Thank you.